and welcome again to my YouTube channel. And today guys, I'm going to show you a simple way of preparing beef wet fry and some spaghetti. So guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do so that you'll be part of this growing family. You're going to wait until this water here, its own water dries. So guys, you can see the progress of how the water is draining. You can see that the water is fully drained. So I'm going to add a small amount of water, just like that, like that. You can see, see that. So as the water is about to dry, we need to have prepared this. This is a tomato. I've used two pieces. Make sure it's enough. You also need some onions. Make sure it's enough. Then we have this mixture of garlic and ginger paste. I've grated it. And then we need some coriander or dhania. And then of course we need some salt. So guys, our meat has dried. Make sure it's enough. So I'm going to put the onions first. And then some. I'm going to leave it like that for a few minutes. The onion is getting fried. So at this point, I'm going to put the ginger and garlic mixture inside here. You can see it. Then it's here guys. I apologize for the poor lighting. I know what to do to make it better. So I stir for uniformity. Then I cover our mixture, leave it for some few minutes for it to continue simmering. And it's on medium heat. So just cover it. Guys, the tomatoes are cooked, are well cooked. you need to add the coriander or the dhania. That's it. And stir well. After stirring, you need to add some small amount of salt. Remember that in our meat we added enough salt. So after adding salt, add some hot or warm water for soup or stew. The lighting is getting bad. But anyway, we are done. Wait for it for some few minutes to make the soup. Our food is ready, as you can see. Look how nice and yummy it looks. Wow, look guys. Wow. So yummy. So I'm going to serve. So guys, this is the complete meal. Look how it looks yummy. So yummy. Look guys. So if you like this video, kindly share with your friends and try this recipe, and just comment on the comment section how it turned out to be, and kindly make sure to subscribe. Bye. See you in my next video.